All right, let's start with a look outside. You guys, there's no way to cut this. I'd love to be able to tell you, here's exactly what's going to happen over the weekend. We have intrigue.
I like this.
Yeah, we're not just doing it so people tune in, really. I wish I had the answer for you right now. We've got some idea of some of what's going to happen, and it does look promising here. In fact, some of our most reliable models are looking more and more promising with the weekend storm on the way. 51 degrees in the metro. North-northeast winds right now at 3 miles an hour. Temperatures across the north, mainly 30s and 40s. 50s here in central sections. And then as you head down to the south, mainly the 40s and 50s, although a little cooler around Gallup and Grants, as it usually is. Now, first thing we'll tackle here are temperatures. We've been very, very warm. Tomorrow, again, we're going to be in the high 60s in the metro area, but we do see things change over the weekend, especially by Sunday. We're going to blast in some cold air across the state here. Now, the deepest, coldest air will be across eastern New Mexico. The numbers you see here in orange are average for this time of year. And take a look how cold it's going to be across the east by Sunday and Monday. 20s in Raton and Clayton, 30s in Tucumcari, Roswell in the 40s, Carlsbad in the 40s. So obviously we're going to end up 30-plus degrees below average across the east. Here in the metro area, right now we're looking like we're going to be sort of on that edge of just a little cooler, and you can see kind of running out of cold air as we go out to the west. So this is definitely one of these deals where we're going to cool down significantly across the east, and that's going to play into our snowfall chances as well. For now, though, it's pretty quiet, mainly just dealing with some high clouds across the area here, and in fact, tomorrow looks like a good day before we get ready to roll. So let's take a look at your storm. It's developing off the Pacific Northwest coast. Timing Saturday through Monday. We could end up extending that into next week. What to expect? Heavy mountain snows will be a possibility. Scattered valley mixes out there and colder temperatures statewide. We were at a 60% bust potential earlier in the day. We've dropped it to 50 because we like the latest model runs that are coming in here talking about what's going to happen. So here's a basic look at what we anticipate. First of all, the heaviest snows and the best dynamics likely to go into Colorado with this particular storm, where they're likely to get more than a foot of snow in many areas. But here we've got some things working in our favor. We're going to have that cold front plowing in here. So we're going to have that cold air right at the surface. Well, as you run moisture over the top of the cold air and up into the mountains, that's an efficient way to make snow. So it does look like we're going to be looking at the possibility of some good snow across the northern mountains and maybe across the northeast as well with this setup, which is likely to last through a good portion of the weekend and maybe into next week. Gusty winds here in the metro area too, and maybe a quick shower. And in fact, our better chance for showers in the metro could come Monday with another weather disturbance kicking in. That one very much in doubt too, but that's the overall scenario of what we're looking at. And so you can see with the 7-day forecast, there's also a good chance for some snow across the San Juans of southwestern Colorado Sunday into Monday as well. Northwest, less storm action here, but a few showers will be a possibility over the weekend. Across the southwest, partly cloudy skies, southwest winds 10 to 20 miles an hour. Southwest is just not the perfect spot for this system, but as you get across the southeast, it gets more promising. Colder temperatures on Sunday with the shot at showers. The northeast looks good and very intriguing Sunday and Monday for the possibility of a snowstorm. Meanwhile, over the northern mountains, especially those east slopes, we could do very, very well Sunday into Monday. Any mountain sections over the weekend and into next week have a chance to do well, depending on how everything shakes out. Again, some of this still up in the air. Edgewood, definitely looking at the shot at showers here over the weekend. But by the way, tomorrow going to be significantly windier across the east. 70 downtown, 70 in Los Lunas, 71 in Belen. Shot at showers Sunday, and finally here in the metro area, we've got a shot at showers on Sunday and maybe into Wednesday if we can get another weather disturbance going here. You guys, the bottom line, we're going to need another day to kind of iron this thing out.
All right. Thank you, Mark.